Hey there, I am Steve, and today I'm going to play the demo of Space Madness. This is a game for the Macintosh from 1995. This is the demo version, so let's get into it. Alright, I'll hit S to start a new game.
Here we go.
You use the arrow keys to get around. I've got shields, I've got blasters. Let's see if I can get this. Get my shield up and get out of here real quick. It's a pretty simple game. Shift, it uses your shield. Control and Option use your two weapon types. And you can see up on the radar your enemies there. Okay, and I got that one. Let's pick up this stuff. What did I leave behind there? I must be full, so I can't pick that up. Looks like there might be another enemy over here. Slow down a little. Says condition red. I'm not sure what's going on here. I need to destroy this base. Looks like I do. Let's hang out here until my shield comes back a little. Okay. It looks like I destroyed it. Just gonna get this. Something blue down here. Let's go check that out. This might take us to the next level. Okay, I can see a ship is coming in. That's a fast ship. This is a pretty difficult game. Let's see, probably have another station here. Yep. I can take this out. Looks like my fuel is getting low. See if I can get one of these ships. I got him. See if there's stuff to pick up over here. It's real hard to see what's on the radar. Get this. I don't know what's happening. I'm out of fuel, so it looks like I've lost all life support. That was it. Well, there you go. That's a demonstration of Space Madness for the Macintosh.